Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to tie your balls of yarn together. So I have one color, second color. So what I do with the working yarn is lay it flat like that, grab your new bundle, and lay them right next to each other. You will cross one side like that, tie it. So it should look like this so far. You'll do the same thing on the other side and tie it. Should look like that, and then you'll pull it tight. Creates a very strong knot. Then you would just cut these ends off. Okay, so lay your yarn next to each other just like that. You will cross it, make an X. And then tie this part, knot, and tie this part. Should look like this. Pull it. And what I do sometimes too is just tug on each strand. It becomes a super strong knot. This time I'll do it a little bit faster. The more you do this knot too, the easier it becomes. I have never had any of my yarn break at the knot using this kind, or using this knot. And there you have it.